Hello, my fellow oilers. How are you guys? This is Missy coming to you guys today from thehomeinglife.com, and today I wanted to share with you just one essential oil because if I share too many, you won't remember. So I'm here to share just one essential oil with you guys. It is amazing. It's kind of like a perfume. I actually wear it like a perfume. It's in this beautiful pink bottle. Joy. That's the one. So let me tell you a story about this little guy. I actually got into essential oils specifically to purify the air because in rainy old Oregon we can have mold issues, and I thought, I have a new little guy coming into the world, I don't want to have to worry about that. So that's why I got him. But let me tell you, my pregnancy was super easy. Afterwards, not so much. I was kind of had the crazies going on, and so this little oil really helped me big time kind of just settle myself down. It was huge. It was amazing. It totally spurred my desire in learning more about essential oils. Let me share with